Hey guys, this is Tanika and welcome to Magnolia Home Decor. Hey guys, it's Tanika with Magnolia Home Decor. Welcome to another segment of Personal Touch. Today I wanted to talk to you about Pulsar. This quartz again is Constantino. It's a soundstone. I don't know if you can see, but the background kind of plays a cream or a gray, and then there's some caramel lines. And over on the other side, the lines are a little bit darker than caramel, like more of a darker brown. So you have a lot of different variations and options that you can play with this stone. I wanted to show you this Grand Haven hardwood flooring that I really think accents, as well as the Eldora on the bottom. Then if you're interested in maybe some tile, you have this option as well. And then we just put some other colors in case you wanted to see some different variations here. Also, look at this. I think this is a very fun match. This is Arcacia. And Arcacia has two different tones to it, and I think that would be a very fun pairing, as well as the cocoa. Now, if you were really bold and wanted to do something a little bit different, look at this timber ridge with that. It's like a perfect match. All the colors are a perfect match. And then for those of you who still love vinyl flooring, you can't go wrong there either. We have our favorite, the Wabash. And the Wabash actually pulls out this caramel swivel in the quartz. And then over here we have Taurus, if you want a little bit of a lighter color. Look at that, that's beautiful together. Now, the one thing I would say, depending on what your appliances are in your kitchen, would determine what you would go with as far as all your finishes. I think this will look really, really good with a white farm sink. I think it would be amazing with this. And then you can decide based on your appliances, what faucet you want and what cabinet hardware you'd like. Remember guys, this soundstone product by Constantino is named Pulsar. As always, thanks for watching Personal Touch. Remember, you can find us on the World Wide Web at magnoliahomedecor.org, or you can give us a phone call, 678-272-6565. Have a great day.